So initially, I like to say that I was born in Boulder but raised in Michigan. So technically, I am a Colorado native.
Yeah.
But I moved to Michigan, my family did, when I was in elementary school, and I stayed there until college, and then really wanted to make my way back to the square state, as I call it. It just kind of fit my lifestyle, and then once I was here, I couldn't ever leave again. Specifically in undergrad, I was a poli-sci major and kind of trying to figure out what I could do with that. I did an internship with a law firm. During that internship, I kind of realized that I really thought it was interesting that you could live your life every day surrounded by law, and your daily construct is rooted in the law, but not everyone understands that, and I think it's super cool to understand the practical aspects and how the law really interacts with your life. But I think the pushing measure was when I was a court judicial assistant, and there was something happening procedurally, and the magistrate had to look the law up in the Colorado rules, and then afterwards he took the time to really read me the black and white letter law of it, and then explain the practical aspects. And I think to me that felt really powerful to understand that practicality, and that was when I wanted to be that person that understood the practicality of the law. Well, specifically, I really am driven by corporate law, mainly because it ties to transactional work, where I get kind of geeked out about that sort of, I guess, realm of law, specifically just the words and the practicality of them all. But really, I think it draws back to why I really loved law school. Some of the things I really loved in law school, which it's the clients, honestly. It's really interesting to be that legal middleman, where the client has this objective, they have this goal, they have this dream, and you get to be the person who conceptualizes it for them, and you can deliver them their dream, their goal. So that's really cool, and I think that's probably one of the reasons that I love the law, is you get to be that person that makes that happen for someone. I think specifically as a young attorney, you have to, when you're looking for where you're going to start out, you have to be kind of cognizant of whether or not the firm is going to allow you to grow. And I don't mean it necessarily in, oh, I'm going to become the partner, or there's strategic steps to becoming a partner. It's, am I going to be someone who just sits there and produces work product for them, and that just helps them continue to grow themselves in their practice? Or are they going to help you grow as an attorney and grow your own practice? In Jones & Keller, very quickly, I could tell that the passion behind what you do was the law and producing good lawyers, not just producing good law for yourself. And so I felt like that was a place where everyone would be invested in my growth. And so I think that's the main key. If you're a young attorney, the goal is to get better and to become a better attorney, and you have to be in an environment that produces that and allows you to do that.